Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing a VR for Ginger's Plans Crafts Beauty. She is hosting a Road to 800 challenge. Her channel will link down below with all of the rules and all of the ways that you can earn an entry. These are the ways that I have decided to try and earn some entries. I did leave a comment on her post. I did share her video on my community page, and you can receive an entry for each handmade card, some dewdrops, an ATC card, some watermelon die cuts, as well as a die cut, and I'm doing a VR. Ginger's channel will be linked down below. Please let her know that I sent you her way. This is the card that I decided to make. It is a summer themed card. I cut the watermelon using the Doodle Charms Cricut cartridge, a Project Life card, a Stampin' Up set that says you're one in a melon. I love making fruit cards. They're so super cute. On the inside, someone had gifted me this happy birthday die, which I already have, so I'm gifting it to her. These are the watermelon die cuts that I made for her. Hopefully she will be able to use them in her crafts this summer. I also sent some watermelon colored themed dewdrops. I made her a summer themed ATC card. I think it's so super fun. I had this scrap of watermelon paper. I added some limes, clay bits, and a little sticker that I stapled, and I did put some of my information on the back. And that is my entry for Ginger. Also, the card that I am making goes along with my current challenge, which is running from May to June 2024. The theme is summertime, and it's anything summer related. The prize is a bag of dewdrops. And let me go ahead and show you the fun summer colors that we have. These are available in my Etsy shop, or you can send a direct message and purchase them from me directly. I hope you will consider joining in on my challenge. Good luck, Ginger, to your road to 800. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.